Hi folks, back again with the frame. I didn't film the actual putting it together and painting it because I honestly don't like painting it. I honestly don't, but this is something that needed to be done, so it is done. It doesn't look 100% as in painting business, but I'm happy the way it looks. So the next thing is that white backing board will go behind into the groove. You can't see because of the lighting, but there is a groove in here that where the backing board will go. So I will pull that bandsaw out, chuck this one away, and I'll cut a backing for it. And once I do that, there's all that is left is to glue those how you call them, like a pictures onto it, and then I'll just frame it, just finish it off. Yeah, but side project. See, the side project got me occupied since I come back from the bush. This is now, I just glued them up. That's glued up now. It needs to dry up another 20 minutes or something, so it will need it to be painted then, and that's something that I don't like. Right, so bear with me until I pull that bandsaw out. Here are the measurements: 1145 by 562. Okay, so because that cannot fit into the throat, I'm gonna cut the smaller one first. Oh, we'll see which way we will go. Let me mark this up, because we just mark this up. So I said I just need someone to film for me, and I don't have anyone who can do that for me. So let me try to put you somewhere, because this is a delicate. I better concentrate on this so I don't make a boo-boo. So I'll get back to you once I cut this out. This is how much I mess up for. See, just 2-3 mil along the guts. Edges are fine, so I got to chop that off. So what I'll do, I'll just sand that back, or just use just a planer or something. So bear with me until I fix that one. Now you see line, now you don't. Easy fix with a good old hand planer. There's a bit of a line here, but I'm happy the way it is. Moment of truth. We'll try to fit that in the frame. Is this recording? No, it is. So I was talking all this business and I wasn't recording, right? That's how that looks like. It fits like a glove. This is basically what is going to hold this whole frame. And I tell you what, no wonder these people which are doing frames, they are asking arm and leg, because this is time consuming and a nerve-wracking thing. So it is what it is. Next moment in the process, this is the front of it. Next moment in the process is Mrs. and daughter will sort that picture and put that in a perspective. And then once that is done, I will we'll cut poly, see-through poly, instead of a glass, because a glass is too heavy. So, and majority of the pictures I did it like that. So yeah. So I'll show you how that looks like once it's done. Till then, take care. Cheers. Picture is in, frame is in. All I need to do is secure this, okay? And the way I'm going to do that is with how do you call those things? Shish kebab, you call them staples. That's what you call them. That's what you call them. You call the thing staples. So let me grab a E, and we'll put a few staples in. Here you go, folks. These are the patient's hands of my precious daughter. Look at that. Look how many of those little things is there. Thousands and thousands, tiny little bits, and they call them like a diamonds. And her shaky hands did all this. It's absolutely amazing. It's absolutely amazing. It's a rose. It's a rose in 5 pictures. In saying that, all the credit goes to my lovely daughter, because to have a patience to make that, make something, make your heart sing. It took me bloody month to make a frame. Oh well, guys, thank you for watching. Till the next one, take it easy. Cheers.